Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert illustrations into your images and photos you edit on Microsoft Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Let me just remove these example shapes here and work with that background photo depicting a mountain range. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to, here on Microsoft Designer, navigate to visuals on the left hand side. From there, what you want to do is scroll down. And here under illustrations, choose the one you would like to go with. Like for instance, here we'll see various options here. You can also use the supported by designers illustration generator. You can use that one as well for stickers, icons, and images. And let me go, for example, with these illustrations here for flowers, because the artificial intelligence has decided that this image depicts or is from the nature topic. So in alignment with that, it will show you, suggest you illustrations that are aligned with that topic. So guys, you can use the search bar here at the top also to look for your favorite illustration. Next, left click into the illustration, position it on your canvas. And after that, you may bring it to the front, to the back, duplicate it, change its color, fill color in this case, the outline, for example, adjust the transparency, so make it slightly less visible. And again, change its position here, bring it to front, to back, or remove it by pressing backspace on your keyboard, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.